Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest purchase. This is actually from Walmart. Got this on clearance for $10. This is the Better Home and Gardens Propagation Station. If you've looked, I know they sell a lot of these on Amazon. I'm kind of eyeing getting one. And when I saw this one on clearance at Walmart, I figured, what the heck, I'll try it out. So with all my purchases, again, nothing for doing these videos. I just like showing products in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying it and they want to get an idea of what's the quality like, what does it look like when it comes in, etc. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to unbox it and then we'll get it set up and I'm going to put some plants in it. I'm thinking about doing something like lantana and seeing if I can just propagate in water with those. I won't show you all of these glasses, but they are glass bulbs. Glass is pretty thin, but at least it's glass and not plastic, so that's good. A lot of these cheap ones that you get will have plastic, and I would rather have glass. Get 3 of those. They all are wrapped in bubble wrap. Quality is fine. And then the propagation station, what's nice here is there is no assembly needed at all. Little instruction manual. And that's it. Now, how easy is that? Basically take your little glass, put it in there, take the next one, put it in, and then finally your third one. Pretty simple stuff. It's wood, metal, screws and nuts going through it. Quality looks pretty good. Let's get some plants in it, see what it looks like with some plants. All right, so here's a final look at the product. Unfortunately, it would probably take about 4 to 6 weeks before any roots would start growing. I just took these cuttings today, just put them in the water, and I think it looks great. I don't know. You can always propagate in water with a plastic water bottle or something cheap like that, but there's something nice about something that actually looks decent in your house, and I think this did the trick, especially for $10. Go check your local Walmart. If you can find one on clearance, I think it's worth the price. As always, if you found the video interesting or if it helped, thumbs up are always appreciated. Thank you for watching.